Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this lovely Mercedes-Benz CLC class. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, there's front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car you've got leather interior, the radio has a CD player and Bluetooth, and on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car has 3 previous owners, comes with the automatic 1.8 litre petrol engine that gives you 143 brake horsepower. It's done under 42,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.